let's look at the application for the loops which we have studied in earlier lectures. I will just go for a simple program over here, program for pattern printing. Let's say this time we want to go for the program where I want to print, let's say, the pattern. So what will be this pattern? Let's say it is a pattern of pyramid of character 1. So in order to print it, I will just include these two header files. String.h is not required in this case, so let's remove it. Now let's declare the integer type of variable. Let's say it is for row it is r, for space it is sp, and number of rows, for that one I will take the additional variable, that is n. So let's put the message for the user, printf enter row, total rows. Okay, so this is how the total rows to go for the displaying the character pyramid, rather we will say. So scan it. So this will be the integer type of value. So we will go for this %d modifier over here, as a specifier, sorry, %d ampersand n, and let's define the for loop over here for row equal to 1, row less than equal to n, row plus plus. So this will continue for all the rows. So I will just start this for loop. Let's introduce one more for loop for the spaces. How many spaces you want? Space equal to 1, space less than equal to, let's say, n minus row. Why it is? Because in the first line I want let's say maximum spaces, then the spaces will be reduced. So that's why this is done with the statement, or rather the condition less than equal to n minus row. So space plus plus. This is how the second for loop will do the task of printing simply the space. Okay, so since it is a space, let's put it like this. Next for loop will do the task of displaying the character. So again, operate it on the space variable, that is sp itself. Space sp less than equal to 2 times, let's say it is r minus 1. Okay, why it is taken like this? Because in the first row I want a single character, in the second two characters. So obviously the condition will be this one. So if you just verify it here, you will find it quite clear that, let's me put the character as a 1. I want to print 1, pyramid of 1. This entire part I will just skip. Okay, and once it is done, so since I want it on each line, so I will just include one more statement over here, that is printf. What will be that statement? It is /n. So this is very important statement, otherwise you will observe it on a single line. So this statement must be there. So this is how the two for loops we can just add here within a outer for loop for how many rows you want. That is why the outer for loop is taken. Okay, now let's compile this code. What is it? Function print. Okay, by mistake I typed here print, so it is printf. Compile and run the code. Number of rows it is asking, so I will just put, let's say, 5 rows I want. So this is how the pyramid of 1, character 1 will be displayed. So let's proceed for it to modify. Let's say I want it for the dollar, then I will simply modify it here, run it. So this is how the next, let's say I want the pyramid of dollars, so it will be modified. So like this you can do the pattern programming for other tasks also. let's see the effect of this slash n if it is displayed. And once again, if I skip this slash n and run the code, let's say for 4, it will show me like this. Okay, so that is what the effect of this slash n. This is very essential in the code, otherwise the output which we expected will not be accurate one. So this is what the important application of the loop for pattern programming. So from the placement point of view, this is very important. You can try out it for the various other patterns also. So thank you everyone, thank you very much.